Hello there. I've been doing some work already on the car today. I've put the outer sill on the passenger side. I've been a bit interrupted, people coming to visit and whatnot, so I've not filmed any of that. But now I think I've got a bit of time without being interrupted, so I'm going to start taking off the remains of the rear valance and have a look at patching up the hole in the boot floor. I'll try a bit better with my camera angles this time, because the last one was pretty poor, so let me know what you think. I switched to a much smaller tripod, so hopefully that'll be a bit better. Thinking what to do with this piece here, because obviously there's this hole. I assume you can see that. Have a look. So obviously we've got this hole. I've cleaned up back over here. The metal gets a bit better. There's a little bit of a hole there. You can see that. Part of this piece was rotten. This strengthening plate looks okay, but when you go inside, just above here, there was a lump. So I tacked it with a grinder and it just turned into a pile of dust. So I was thinking of cutting a section somewhere like that, or should I go straight across there? Do some more hacking I think first. This is one of my favourite tools. Makes such a light work of chopping stuff. It's brilliant. Cut through a mini like butter. As you can see, the small hole in the boot floor turned into a much bigger hole. Ground away a bit too much on the lip of the rear quarter here, so that'll have to be repaired. That panel's quite solid, so cut it out all around there. Managed to keep this in place. This is in good condition. I can use the subframe mounting points there for reference. So first of all, I need to make a plate that fits there. And then there's a load spreading piece that goes on. I need to work out how that works. And I've got the closing panel that I think sort of fills in some of that as well. On top of the load spreader and the floor, I think. I'll have to check. But that's going to be all for today. I shall make a cardboard template over the next couple of days, and then next weekend most likely we'll be welding that plate in. At least get the floor section welded in and done, and then we can look at the strengthening plate, see if there's anything I need to order. So thanks very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe and all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you next week.